Hi, welcome to Enco Machinery. We are a leading manufacturer of evaporator and crystallizer. This is our own factory located at Huzhou, Zhejiang. When you walk into the door, you will see our office building. We have our in-house engineering team that support to global clients. It is just 2 hours drive from Shanghai port. The factory covers a total area of 20,000 square meters and is 22 meters high. What you just saw is our MVR evaporator project exported to the United States. And this is our lithium battery recycling project exported to Australia. That's right. Enco Machinery's main products are evaporators and crystallizers, as well as their derived plate heat exchangers, reverse osmosis membranes and other equipment. The service industries include industrial wastewater treatment, lithium battery recycling, etc. Our equipment has been exported to countries across 6 continents, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia and Germany, and has delivered complex technologies and equipment for more than 600 projects in total. Enco has been engaged in the production of evaporation crystallizers for 20 years. Our end users include leading American automakers, BMW, Hyundai, Air Products, NTN, China Aerospace, etc. We provide customers with integrated solutions, including design and engineering, manufacturing and modular installation and commissioning, training and subsequent maintenance. For this, we have won praise from almost all customers, and many customers still choose to cooperate with us when expanding their industries. You can also see some of our special designs in the video. This is a unique skid design, which allows us to reduce transportation costs and significantly reduce on-site installation time, thereby minimizing the owner's investment in the production and construction phase. We have offices in Germany and the United States. Relying on rich experience and excellent teams, we can provide you with excellent products and timely services. If you have any needs and are interested in us, please follow this account and our accounts with the same name on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. We will update more of our information. You are also welcome to visit our official website,